Please, I have a question. How long does chin chin last in your house? Alright, I know that the duration should be subject to the quantity of chin chin you make, but in my house, that's not the case because even if we make a bucket full of chin chin, it runs out fast. I had delayed baking this chin chin till a few days to Christmas just so it doesn't finish before the day. But my children would not let me drink water and drop cup with questions. When are you making the chin chin? Have you changed your mind? Can I give you a hand? And that's how we got here. 15 cups of flour just so we have more. I'll leave the ingredient list and measurements in the caption. Recently, I've had something against eggs in my chin chin, so we're using milk, margarine, a little baking powder, salt, sugar, and some milk flavor. This is quite a lot, so I thought it would be faster to fry in this big pan. 4 batches and I was done. This quantity filled 2 4-liter buckets, and as of today, let me just keep quiet about the quantity we have left. Have you made some chin chin for the season? Happy holidays!